Hiya guys, little update. So obviously 2 days ago received this brand new DBXL-E. Really excited to take it out. Really happy with the truck, apart from with one exception. If I can drive over 5 or 10 meters away from me, it cuts out. That's steering, throttle, everything. So something's wrong with the transmitter or receiver. Now if I just open her up, first thing I've done, obviously there's the transmitter. It came with 4 brand new AA batteries, which I obviously installed when I got it. I then put a brand new set of AA batteries in there to see if that would help at all, but no, didn't help. Then opened up the receiver box here, made sure the antenna wire was all good, no damage, no kinks going to the top of the tube. Yeah, all was good. Probably shouldn't have done, but then I took all the screws out of the back of the transmitter and just made sure that the antenna cable was plugged on the little PCB board. I think it was, but I took it off and remade the connection anyway. Still no difference, so I've contacted the shop where I bought it from, and they've asked me to send the transmitter and receiver back to them. I've got no other Spectrum kit or anything to find out what the problem is by swapping transmitter and receivers about. So obviously while I'm sending that back under a warranty return, did want to go out this weekend as I've just got the truck, so I resorted to plan B. My UDR over here, which is off the road at the moment, I've just took the receiver out of there, popped her into here, set it up through the Traxxas Bluetooth app on the phone, all the settings basically, and all is now good. So watch the videos over this weekend. There'll be some videos of this alongside the X-Maxx, and peace out.